Welcome to our video on Investing Tricks Demystified, uncovering the secrets to profitable investing. In this video, we will share with you some valuable tips and tricks that will help you make profitable investments in the stock market. Investing can seem daunting, but by understanding these tricks, you can navigate the market with confidence. The first trick to profitable investing is setting clear goals. Before you start investing, it's important to define what you want to achieve. Do you want to save for retirement or buy a new house? Setting clear goals will help you determine your investment timeline and risk tolerance. Diversification is a key trick to successful investing. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic locations, you can reduce the risk of loss and enhance the potential for gains. This scene will show you the importance of diversification and provide examples of diversified portfolios. Timing the market is another trick that can make a big difference in your investment returns. In this scene, we will explore the concept of market timing and discuss strategies to identify favorable entry and exit points for your investments. Discover how to maximize your profits by making well-timed investment decisions. Fundamental analysis is a powerful tool for profitable investing. This scene will explain the basics of fundamental analysis and teach you how to evaluate the financial health and growth potential of a company. Learn how to identify undervalued stocks and make informed investment decisions. Congratulations! You've uncovered the secrets to profitable investing with these investing tricks. By setting clear goals, diversifying your portfolio, timing the market, and using fundamental analysis, you can increase your chances of success in the stock market. Start applying these tricks today and watch your investments grow.